Don't get mad, but Halloween is way better than Christmas. I love everything from scary movies to pumpkin patches. Maybe it's because I'm an October baby, but Halloween has no expectations of giving gifts or sitting through a family dinner. It's a celebration of magic, imagination, and mischief. All these patterns are absolutely free, and you can find them all down in the description box below. I'm Alysha of Littlejohn Yarns, and today we're going to look at the top 10 crochet Halloween patterns. Coming in at number 10 is the Halloween Crochet Coasters. Stop water stains with style with this amazing Halloween coaster. I can totally see these cuties selling like hotcakes at a craft fair in a pack of 4. They're so fun and they look super easy too. Use up those scrap yarns that's been sitting around in your house all year long. The designer of this pattern is Teeny Crochet. Number 9, Armory Eyeballs. How cool and creepy would a few of these eyeballs look in a jar? You never know if you need to add a few of these to a cauldron to complete your witchy potion. This is another great stash busting pattern that doesn't take very much yarn. The designer of this pattern is Wool Bags. Coming in at number 8 is the Black Cat Garland. Black cats and Halloween go together like peanut butter and jelly. I love how cute this Black Cat Garland looks. The orange whiskers are an excellent touch. Ready your stash for yarn, but since it takes very little for each color, this will be easy to do. The designer of this pattern is Love Plus Stitch Co. Number 7, Candy Corn Pixie Hat. Okay y'all, I know some of you might not like candy corn. It's definitely a love it or hate it type of thing. But come on, how stinking cute is this candy corn pixie hat? The best part about this pattern is it's available in newborn and adult. There's no shame in my game. I would definitely sport this candy corn hat. So the designer of this pattern is Sweet Potato 3. Coming in at number 6 is the Halloween Bunting. The gang's all here in this fabulously spooky Halloween bunting. I see a ghost, a jack-o'-lantern, a vampire, candy corn, Frankenstein, a cat, bat, and spider. It's a lot, but it's the perfect cast of characters to adorn your mantle or wall. The designer of these patterns are the Lazy Hobby Hopper. Coming in at number 5 is the Halloween Cat Ear Headband. If you need a last-minute Halloween costume or just want to wear something cute and festive to your next Zoom meeting, then these cat ears are perfect for you. The pattern can be adjusted for different sizes, so why not make it for the whole entire family? The designer of this pattern is The Crochet. Coming in at number 4 is the Ghost Keyring. This little ghost keyring would love to hitch a ride on your purse or keys. I love the different sizes of the eyes. It gives them a little cheeky, mischievous look. These are the perfect gift to give to friends and family because they're so small and so quick to make. The designer of this pattern is Catnip. Coming in at number 3 is the Halloween Bag Trio. You can make these Halloween bags and use them for decorations around the house or the office. I especially love the idea of using them as Halloween gift bags that can be used again and again. Which one is your favorite? The designer of this pattern is Highland Hickory Designs. Number 2, the gourds. Pumpkins can't have all the autumn fun. These gourds are seriously cute and definitely front porch material. I can see these decorating my mantle in my living room. And by the way, did you know canned pumpkins are actually a mix of different squashes? The designer of this pattern is Flo and Dot. And coming in at our number 1 spot is the Halloween Web Collar. The possibilities for this cute and creepy Halloween web collar are seriously endless. I'm getting the Wednesday Addams vibes from the pic, but you can also use this as a witch or spider costume. You know, I would probably wear this just because it's a Tuesday. The designer of this pattern is Lulu Loves. What crochet Halloween pattern are you going to make? Let me know down in the description box below, and make sure you check out my top 10 crochet patterns that make it under an hour right here.